Hello guys, this is How to Socials and today I'm going to show you how you can promote your YouTube channel on YouTube. Now I'm going to read you to an article showing you some of the steps that you need to take in order to promote your YouTube channel and basically achieve better results on your YouTube channel. Now I'm going to read you through just a few of the steps because there are a lot. And hopefully at the end you will gain some knowledge on how you can do better on YouTube. Now the first thing is choosing Google friendly keywords. A great YouTube channel starts with great SEO, and great SEO starts with understanding what users are searching. It turns out people don't just look for videos on YouTube, they use Google too. YouTube was the second most popular search term in 2018. Google now prioritizes videos over content for many searches. There's no rule for which keywords will help your YouTube video rank well. But a bit of reverse engineering can go a long way. Here's how you to find the Google friendly keyword for any video. Identify possible keywords with a tool like Google Ads Keyword Planner. Google one of your options, scan the search engine result page. For each keyword are the top ranking results, videos or written content. Tweak your keyword and try again. So basically it's just trying to find out what people are most likely to search in order to help you rank better. Use concise and descriptive titles. The titles is the first thing that you see when they try to find your content. If it isn't punchy, it might be the last. Some basic tips are keeping it short and sweet. Include keywords in the first half of the title. Engaging doesn't mean clickbait. Another one is create custom thumbnails. Some simple rules of the thumbnails are resolution, full HD, which is HD, format JPG, GIF, BMP or PNG, size, respect the 2 megabytes limit, use high contrast images, add text and colors to engage clicks, use a close-up image if you can, use a stock photo when in doubt, be consistent with other branding. Fill out your profile, be consistent, use a similar color palette, writing style and layout as you do on your website or other social channels. Optimize your YouTube channel description, keep your viewers coming back for more, and include contact info. Now you can also optimize your description, front load your keywords, stick to the 5,000 character limit, create a content page, add links to relevant playlists, include a few relevant hashtags. Don't forget about the metadata. YouTube's metadata guidelines emphasize two things when it comes to using keywords. Be honest and choose quality over quantity. Offer real value. So basically just make a video that has a purpose. For example, before publishing a video, ask yourself, what problem does this video solve? Is it entertaining? Will it improve viewers' lives in any way? So basically just don't create videos for the sake of it. Create high quality videos. Poor video quality can undermine even the best content, so make sure your content looks professional before you post it. Use a decent camera, do a sound check before recording, and learn some basic editing skills. Interact with your fans, basically responding to comments, even the negative ones. Like some comments. And you can also try some Q&As, basically responding to your audience's questions, comments, emails, tweets, and doing a video about it. By showing your fans that they matter, you'll boost watch time, view count, and engagement. And run contests, giveaways, contests with prizes. That's also another way you can engage with your audience, keep them involved, and attract attention, basically, because who doesn't want a prize? Also, you can be active in the community. YouTube is all about finding your niche and building your following within it. Subscribe to channels that target a similar audience as you. Watch, like, and share their content. Leave thoughtful comments or mention them in your own videos. Not only will this give you a better sense of what your competition is up to, it can also help you reach your new viewers. So that's all the steps I'm going to go through right now. I hope you found this helpful. I hope after seeing these steps you are able to manage your YouTube channel better and basically promote yourself with them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one, guys.